This is a 2012 Jeep Compass. I was removing the door panel, the interior. My window was not rolling back up. So what my problem ended up being was this switch unit. So this is a bad one. It's got these two to plug in, and then there's a plug for that to plug in. That's what the backside looks like. There's just one screw that goes down there, that's a hex, and then there's just the clips holding it on. So then to get this out, that's what it looks like. You have to push it down. It doesn't pull up, you gotta push it down. So it's gonna come out, you're gonna pop it out this way. There's these tabs, three on each side, right there and there, that are gonna have to be pushed over. And then there's these tabs too that go the other way, that one and that one. So you're gonna have to pull it out, and then when you put it back in, it's pretty tight, so make sure to put it in, get both sides in at the same time, not one or the other. So then yeah, just disconnect that one screw. My window wasn't rolling back up, so all the power comes in from that one, but this was the driver door. But this is $20, so I tested this first and it solved my problem. But yeah, be careful taking out these. You gotta like pry the plastic and like get a flat head in there and pry it out and then pull it up, slide it out.